The word for this year, for tax season 2022, is patience. Or as my friend likes to say, pack your patience. It's going to be a rough year. Hi, I'm Michelle Singletary, personal finance columnist for the Washington Post. So you've probably heard all on the news that the IRS has this massive backlog of unprocessed federal returns, millions of them. You might be stuck in that pile of returns that haven't been processed. And so because of that backlog, the IRS has suspended a lot of automated notices that they send out to people. So if you owe, they send out a notice, hey, you owe us. Then they'll send out another one, hey, you owe us. And then they send out another notice to say, look, you don't pay us, we're going to come after your stuff. We'll, go after your income, your bank accounts, maybe even seize your property. Well, you might not owe the IRS. And by mistake, you're getting one of these notices, or you would have gotten one of these notices. So the IRS suspended a lot of notices that are balance due. So you owe them. Or perhaps you haven't filed a return in a while and they're saying, where's your return? They suspended those notices. But here's a very important point. If you know or suspect that you owe the IRS, you still need to pay as much as you can, if not all of it. So go to irs.gov. You can set up a payment plan and have that taken care of. Now, there's some other repercussions from the backlog. Some people still are waiting on their refund from last year. And I know you need that money and it's really been tight and you don't know what to do. You can't get through. I wish I could tell you more other than to be patient, but there really isn't anything you can do if you are owed a refund, but be patient. However, the one good thing is if you're filing your return for this year, 2020, you're going to be filing your 2021 return. The IRS says if everything goes well, you file electronically, you elected to have that money, that refund sent to you to your bank account, you should get it in 21 days or less. And I've actually heard of people getting it in a week. So for those lucky folks, if you file early, file electronically, have the money sent directly to your bank account, you should get it in 21 days or less. I'm Michelle Singletary, personal finance columnist for the Washington Post. Listen, if you have a personal finance question about taxes or saving or getting out of debt, call me. I have a toll-free number. It's 1-855-ASK-POST. Or if you're like me, don't always remember those numbers, 1-855-275-7678.